Hey folks, hope everyone's having a safe and healthy day. Got the Rookie Explosion box, volume 15 here from Filmington. I'm excited about this product. Got here fairly quickly. I think he put out a video on Friday or Saturday that he was sending these out, and I got this on Monday. So I was very excited about that. Here is the list of packs included in this box. 1983 Donruss, 2006, 2000. I'm excited about the 2014 Bowman Draft. I don't think I've ever opened that product. 2015 update, I think it's an underrated one. 2017 Heritage High, I had some jumbo packs from those last year and pulled out a Cody Bellinger Real One Auto, which at the time I didn't think would turn into anything, and sold it at probably the cheapest you could have purchased one of those cards. But yeah, those are some good packs. Got the list of who I'm chasing on the back. I'm not going to read those off right now. But 1983 Donruss. I know we're looking for the Boggs, the Triumvirate from '83, the Boggs, Wynn, and the Sandberg. Let's see, Dave Righetti, good pitcher. Ricky Henderson, Diamond Kings. Used to love those Diamond King sets. I love the ones, especially from the early 90s, where they were painted like that, too. I think, I don't remember if that's Perez. Yeah, that's Perez that did those. From like 1991, 92 Donruss. I loved those. Oh, there's nice Nolan Ryan. I loved those Diamond King sets. Love Nolan Ryan. He's one of my all-time favorites. Dave Parker, I'm gonna keep him out, too. I liked him. Lou Piniella and Brent Gaff. 2006 Topps, we're looking for Justin Verlander. Man, these older foil packs are often difficult for me to open. All right, Sean Green, Diamondbacks. Got a Mickey Mantle insert. Looks like a 1955 Topps. He did not have a 1955 Topps. His contract was with the Bowman for 1954 and 55. Dan Uggla, rookie. He had a couple of all-star seasons, but kind of overrated, in my opinion. 2014 Bowman Draft. We were looking for Eloy, Devers, Bryant, Chapman, Flaherty, Turner, autos of those guys, and Kopech and Schwarber, Verdugo, and Nola. Got a Byron Buxton. Foil is going to be Luis Torrens, a Yankees prospect who I've never heard of. Got another Rob Kaminsky. There's a card I feel like stuck to that. I guess not. No, yeah. Gareth Morgan and Alex Gonzalez. 2015 update. Looking for Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Gallo, Buxton, Syndergaard, Rosario, Urshela, Peterson, and Tommy Pham. Start off with the Howie Kendrick, Anthony Rizzo, Michael Morse. We got a gold card in here of Shelby Miller, who was with the Braves for a very short time. Manny Machado, Alex Wilson, Shane Green, and Jesse Hahn. 2017 Heritage High. Got Bellinger, Chapman, Voit, Judge, Bregman, Moncada, Benintendi, Castillo, DeYoung, Hader. All right. Who is that? Buster Posey. Steve Pearce. The 17 or 18 World Series MVP? I guess 18, because 17 was the Astros. 18 MVP, World Series MVP. Got 2017 update. Looking for Bellinger, Chapman, same guys as last time. The last pack. All right. Wade Davis. Carlos Correa, Future Stars. That is a reprint, a throwback card, sort of. Bradley Zimmer and Tommy Malone. 2018 Series 2. Can we get an Acuna or a Torres? die here. I think Series 1 of this stuff is greatly undervalued right now. I am starting to pick up more and more of those. I have a bunch of hanger boxes of 2018 Series 1 just because the rookie class in that series is so good. And I picked them up for like $4 a piece around Christmas time. But now I'm getting more into the hobby boxes of that stuff. 2018 update. Needs no introduction. Got a David Bodie rookie on the back. Gosman. Will Clark. And the Bodie. '19 Topps Chrome. Looking for Tatis, Guerrero, Alonso, Jimenez. Nice Betts, Ted Williams. My grandfather played with him during World War II. Flew on a couple of planes. He piloted too, I think. 2019 update. Ted Williams, not Mookie Betts. Mitch Keller. Francisco Lindor. Ichiro. My grandfather played in the Tigers farm system for a year or two after World War II. Got 20 Heritage. All right, got a Willie Mays. Got a nice Nico Horner, Albert Alzolay rookie card. AJ Puck, Jesus Luzardo rookie. I will look through these later and see if there are any high number short prints. And 2020 Topps Series 1 for Alvarez, Lux, Bichette, Aquino, Horner, Luzardo, May, McKay, Puck, Grisham, and Lewis. There's a Bobby Bradley rookie. AJ Puck. Sandy Alcantara, Max Scherzer, Lourdes Gurriel. I'll keep out the rookies. Aaron Nola, Willie Adames, Blake Snell, Pete Alonso rookie Gold Cup, and ending it with Kyle. I can't even say his name. I'm ending it mispronouncing the guy's name, Kyle Schwarber. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. I did get some pretty decent rookies out of here. Some good base rookies. I'll do a quick recap here. AJ Puck, Luzardo, Horner, Alzolay. Got the Betts, Ted Williams, David Bodie, Bradley Zimmer, Correa throwback. Ugla, Mickey Mantle, 83 Parker, Nolan Ryan. That's a nicely centered Nolan Ryan too. A lot of the 83 Donruss, or the early 80s Donruss, actually Topps Donruss and Fleer had quality assurance issues with centering. So very nicely centered cards from those 83 packs, or that 83 pack. But hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon. Bye.